Hello, chosen ones. This message is for you if you've been feeling like you're ready to step into a new chapter of abundance. You're in the right place. Life has a way of testing us, but when we align with our purpose and accept the power within, everything shifts. Today, we're going to explore a blueprint that can guide you to a life filled with abundance and limitless possibilities. So take a moment, center yourself, and get ready to tap into the energy of prosperity that's already on its way to you. Chosen ones, the first step in creating a life of abundance is recognizing the immense power that lies within you. Too often we are conditioned to believe that we're not deserving of success or that abundance is reserved for others. This couldn't be further from the truth. You are just as worthy of all the good that life has to offer. Start by affirming your worth each day. Stand in front of the mirror and say, I am worthy of abundance and I welcome it into my life. This simple affirmation can shift your mindset, allowing you to attract the wealth, health, and opportunities that align with your highest potential. When you know your worth, you no longer settle for less than you deserve. The universe responds to your energy, so start radiating confidence, self-love, and belief in your ability to create the life you desire. The more you acknowledge your power, the more abundant your life becomes. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools in manifesting abundance. By focusing on what you already have, you send a clear signal to the universe that you are ready for more. Start each day by writing down at least 3 things you're grateful for. Whether it's something big or small, gratitude opens the door for more blessings to flow into your life. When you shift your attention from what you don't have to what you already possess, you amplify your ability to manifest. This practice builds a positive vibration, attracting the energy of abundance. Whether it's your health, your relationships, or the opportunities you've already received, gratitude sends a message to the universe that you are open to receiving more. By maintaining a gratitude practice, you lay the foundation for long-term success, and you'll notice how things start aligning in your favor effortlessly. Abundance requires clarity. Setting clear intentions is like drawing a map to guide you towards your goals. What do you truly desire? Whether it's financial freedom, a fulfilling career, or vibrant health, it's essential to define what abundance looks like for you. Once you've set your intentions, take aligned actions toward them every day. Break your goals down into manageable steps and focus on them consistently. The more specific and focused your intentions, the more you create a direct channel to receiving what you've asked for. Intention without action is just a wish. So, while your vision is the starting point, your daily actions create the reality that reflects your desires. Every small step you take brings you closer to a life of abundance. Self-love and forgiveness are crucial for attracting abundance. Holding on to guilt, shame, or resentment blocks the flow of prosperity. To fully align with abundance, you must first release any negative emotions that weigh you down. Forgiveness is not for the other person, it's for you. When you let go of old wounds and give yourself the gift of self-love, you create space for new opportunities to come into your life. Affirmations like, I forgive myself for past mistakes and open my heart to the flow of love and abundance will help you release any emotional baggage that holds you back. As you practice self-love, you begin to recognize that you are deserving of all the prosperity the universe has to offer. This shift in mindset allows you to approach life with a sense of peace and readiness to receive. Your environment plays a significant role in attracting abundance. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, encourage your dreams, and believe in your potential. Negative energy can drag you down and prevent the flow of prosperity into your life, so it's essential to cultivate relationships that nourish and inspire. Create a space around you that reflects the abundance you wish to attract. This could mean organizing your living area, clearing clutter, or adding elements that represent wealth and prosperity. When you maintain an environment that supports your goals, you invite abundance into your life. Being around positive, like-minded individuals will also keep you motivated and focused on your goals, reminding you that abundance is not just possible, but inevitable. Trust is a powerful element in manifesting abundance. There will be moments when the path seems unclear or when things aren't happening as quickly as you'd like. During these times, it's important to trust that the universe is always working in your favor. When you trust the process, you let go of the need to control every detail. Allow things to unfold in their own time, knowing that everything is happening exactly as it should. Trust that every step you take, even the setbacks, are part of your greater plan to manifest the life of abundance you desire. Faith in the process means trusting your own ability to handle whatever comes your way. It also means believing that the universe will deliver what you need when you need it. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifesting your desires. Spend time each day imagining the life you want to create. Picture yourself living with abundance, whether it's traveling freely, owning a dream home, or enjoying the freedom to work on your passions. The more vividly you can see it, the more real it becomes. This practice not only helps clarify your desires, but it also aligns your subconscious mind with the outcomes you seek. The energy you put into visualization amplifies your ability to manifest those desires in real life. With each visualization session, you're programming your mind to see abundance as your reality. Fear is one of the biggest blocks to attracting abundance. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, and fear of not being worthy can all hold you back from reaching your fullest potential. To truly attract abundance, you must let go of these fears. Affirm to yourself, I release all fears about money and success. I am worthy of the wealth and happiness I desire. When you release fear, you create space for confidence and clarity to take its place, allowing you to move forward with strength. The more you let go of fear, the more you allow yourself to receive the abundance that is waiting for you. Manifestation is not just about thinking or wishing for something to happen. It requires inspired action. Take steps towards your goals every day, no matter how small. These actions tell the universe that you are serious about creating abundance in your life. When you take inspired action, you are showing the universe that you are ready and willing to receive what you've asked for. It also strengthens your faith in your own abilities, knowing that you have the power to create your desired life. Every small victory deserves recognition. Celebrate the progress you've made, even if it seems minor. Whether it's a financial breakthrough, a new opportunity, or simply feeling more aligned with your purpose, take time to celebrate these moments. Celebrating success not only boosts your confidence, but also reinforces the mindset that abundance is always available to you. Each celebration sends a message to the universe that you are grateful for the blessings, which invites more to come. Patience is often overlooked when it comes to manifesting abundance, but it's essential to the process. It's easy to become frustrated when things aren't moving as quickly as you'd like, but patience allows you to trust the timing of the universe. Keep in mind that abundance flows in its own perfect rhythm, and the best things often take time to manifest. When you practice patience, you give yourself the space to truly appreciate the journey. This mindset shift encourages peace of mind and helps you avoid feelings of anxiety or scarcity. Trust that everything is unfolding at the right pace for you, and keep your focus on what you can control: your thoughts, your actions, and your energy. As you develop patience, you'll find that the abundance you seek flows to you more easily, without the pressure of rushing or forcing outcomes. Affirmations are a powerful daily practice that can drastically shift your mindset and attract abundance. Set aside time every morning and evening to recite affirmations that align with your goals. Speak these affirmations with conviction, feeling the truth of your words as if they are already your reality. Examples of abundance-focused affirmations include: I am open to receiving all the abundance life has to offer, or wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. By repeating these words daily, you reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your ability to attract prosperity and success. The key is consistency. Make affirmations a part of your daily routine, and you will start to see positive changes manifest in your life. By following these steps, you're not just attracting wealth, you're aligning yourself with the flow of abundance that's already available to you. Chosen ones, it's time to step into the life you've always desired. If you found this guidance helpful, share this message and subscribe for more content designed to help you manifest a life of abundance. Your power is unlimited. Believe in it, trust the process, and watch your life transform.